see inside the water, the big hippo. The size is very big. Let's see here. Hippopotamus. Where? One. There's only one hippo. Oh, there are two. One is there and one is there. There are two hippos sleeping in the water right now. And I was like, it's a good thing. Last time I saw something where I cannot see the elephant here. Where is the elephant? Oh yeah, a lot of goats. Goats. See the ram goats are there. Children really like it. There is a giraffe. There is a giraffe, inside of this thing. So last time I saw some elephants, but this time I cannot see any elephants there. Now you can see that. Oh my God, so tall. Oh, there's an elephant. Let's see this elephant right here. Elephant. And you're a big one, bro. You're a big one, really big one. But I think it looks nice, healthy. See the teeth. It's a huge teeth. And there are many people, around. Side. The train is coming up. And here, you can see there are many elephants over here. There's another one. There is another one. So 1 and 2. You can see there are 2 elephants, this side and this side. And there are one more. There's 2 more here. So total I can see the 4 elephants here. And really, and here one is there. 5 elephants. Big one. Big. It's in the, how many? They're eating something else. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elephants around here. And it's nice to say that. Really, it's really nice. And if you can see there, real nice. This is the place to sit around, A really nice place, a cool place. And you can sit here if you want. If you want to take a rest, there are many places to take a rest, but you need to sit somewhere elsewhere. But this time, it's time of Corona, COVID, so you should to be very careful about that while you are going different places.